Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure Android is up to date and you have enough space. Once done, open the Play Store and install the AppLock app. Don't skip reading permission prompts. You must grant storage, notifications, and usage access so the lock can monitor and protect apps. Make sure notifications are allowed. Otherwise, background locks may be interrupted. This first step moves you from setup to control and enables the app's core features immediately. You now configure the lock method. Choose a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint for faster unlocking. Once you pick one, set a recovery email or security question so you can regain access if you forget credentials. Make sure you confirm the PIN or pattern twice to avoid mistakes. Next, enable auto-lock timeout and background protection so locked apps relock after a set delay. This prevents accidental exposure when switching apps. These steps secure both access, and you finish by choosing which apps to lock and then testing each one. Open a locked app to verify the lock activates. Make sure Play Protect is on and you keep the app lock updated for security patches. If an app doesn't lock, check usage access and notification permissions first, then restart the device. If problems persist, use the recovery email to reset credentials or reinstall the app. These actions usually restore correct behavior without losing lock tap settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.